Could you imagine this lady without any spots and without any freckles? In this video I will show you exactly how to remove these spots, freckles and blemishes, and even further how to retouch face. This is our subject and you can see it has a lot of work to do. So the first step is to delete the freckles. To do this, choose from toolbar spot healing brush. Make sure the content of our button is active, which will take sample from the contents around the spots. Have your brush size to the size of spots so it will work better. Just paint on the spots and it will delete them. Paint on each spot you want to delete. I will delete all the spots using this tool. Let's go for a speed up. Now it's looking better. Drag the background layer to the new layer icon to have a duplicate of the photo. Press Ctrl and I to invert the colors. Don't worry if it is looking a scene from a horror movie. From blending mode, choose vivid light. Go to filter, other and choose eye pass. Set the radius to about 24, then press OK. Add one more filter. Go to filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Set the radius about 2, then press OK. Look carefully. Click on the mask icon and nothing will happen. Be patient. Press Ctrl and I to invert the colors. Choose a brush and set the flow to about 50%. Remember to choose a white color, not a black color. Just paint on the skin and you will have a soft skin tone. Paint on all the skin. Let's brighten the face a little bit. Use level adjustment layer. Drag the middle slider to the left side. Again, select the mask, but this time don't invert the colors. Just use a black color and paint on the ears and somewhere you don't want to be brightened. This was our technique. If it was interesting for you, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. I will upload new Photoshop and graphic design content, so you will get notified.